I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.
Make you fly your legs, the high ceiling. Me, I know the type fi run, go try eating. Just the guy fi fertilize breeding. You got me hypnotized, it has meaning.
So people, all them lyrics are to, hey, to bongo not. Me are just the type for fertilize breeding. All them thought they, you know what I mean? Me are telling you, people come like him buck one of them girls, like, I give it to him, the whole package, Yeah, people. That one, no, me don't know. Come like Tommy Lee find the girl, come like a wedding preparation, and the last time you hear a song like this, from an artist in the business. A married settings, him go after that. Right now, Tommy Lee, come like you find a girl, man.
Myself a real, me be real thing. Come sit down, me harder than drilling.
Tough, harder than drilling. So she make you feel, Jenna. Slow down, so she got hard, she just bring it to you. She said, John, Tommy Lee, come like, you see husband image there on your husband figure there on you. Come like, she say, a time now for you just settle down and go on easy, Slow down the pace. So, me don't know no people, me don't know if you don't know something. But that tune, I like the way how the charge are deal with beer vibes and attack beer things about how the girl make him feel. You know what I mean? Because guess what go on now? I like it when the artists them find the woman tune them. The songs them will implicate man to woman. You see me I say? So, it's like Tommy Lee find a Miss Lee. You see me I say? Because people if you listen to the song, some things what him say about her, the way him relate, We don't have to listen to it for yourself, We never want to disclose nothing, We want to listen for yourself. Your name Slow Down. I want you to check it out. So, I need for know, and I need for comment, and I need for share it too, and tell the people about Beer Vibes TV. Me want to know what I want to think. I want to think about the song. If you don't like it, I know the girl them are going to like it, but I know some girl can't whine. And in that day and age, you have to can whine to them music, because you have to keep your man intact. You see me I say? Yeah man, you have to have that 6:30 something there, and you know what I mean? So Tommy Lee, sing one for the girl them. I know the girl them are gonna love it. Some of them around the corner, Some know the man them are line up themselves properly, You see me I say? So people, like, share and comment. Beer Vibes. That one is hot. Tommy Lee, one up. It's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Facts. Beer Vibes TV, and I'm out.
I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.